Her ears like this. Okay, now we got to your head. And underneath your chins. Get your collar. Yeah, down your back. Ready? Get your back. Get your hips. Get your hips. Yeah, get your shoulder. Sexy one. Yeah, just your belly. Let's move it down. Let's move it all down so you can go see. That's a good girl. Yeah. Just a belly. Sexy legs. Sexy legs. Is that good? Is that good? Are you all better now? Are you ready for bed? Are you ready for bed? Do you want to get on your pillow? Do you want to get on your pillow? You want more, Miss Ann? More? Oh, Miss Ann, Miss Ann. Just one more time. Rub your ears, rub your ears. Yeah. A little bit on your head. Yeah, down here underneath your chins. Get your collar. Yeah, go get how many times do we get this? Ready? Get your butt. Get your hips. Get those ribs. Get those ribs. Yeah. Get your shoulder. Oh, yeah. What? Get your shoulder. Sexy legs. Yeah. Chest and belly. Yeah. Oh,
You ready to go to bed, Miss Ann?
yeah, she could sleep. She's gonna sleep better now. She had her massage. Right? All done. All done. You better go to bed.
Then good night, night.
You say good night? More? No more. You're done. No, enough. Get up here. Get up here on your pillow. Or get on your blanket. What'll it be? Miss Annie girl. Miss Annie.
Say good night. Night, Miss Annie.
Can you say good night?